guys, Andy here, and I'm here bringing you all things Monday makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you would subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I am bringing you my July update for the whole collection Project Pan. So if you want to see all of my rollouts, because we have almost a whole project refresh for this month, then let's go ahead and get on into it. If you have not been following along, we have coffee. It is Scooters. I love my Scooters. They have new flavors. This is Caramel Chips Ahoy. So it's Chips Ahoy chocolate chip cookies and caramel, and it's delicious. Not better than the s'mores or the white mocha, but it is still really good. Honestly, it might be better than the s'mores because I don't taste the espresso. Very good. And I normally don't like caramel in coffee. I just don't. So, very good. But I've been doing this project for a while, and I feel like I'm going to be doing it forever. But you were to randomly generate 10 products, and it's rolling style from there, 3 to 5 uses per product, and I'm using this to determine whether or not things stay or go in my collection. I'm trying not to have more than 2 items from the same category, so like no more than 2 liquid shadows, 2 blushes, etc. But, you know, if I'm feeling spicy, things happen. So, we'll start with the item, the one and only item that's not rolling out. And that is my liquid shadow from Sydney Grace. This is in the shade Black Hole. So it is this like blackened silver shade. I do have a use on it though. I did use it 1 out of the 3 times. I used it as a lip color. I do really like it as a lip shade. I think it's very pretty. It dries down. It's really nice. It doesn't have a gritty texture, even with the, like, glitter in it, shimmer in it. It's not glitter, it's shimmer. But it's really pretty. I do enjoy it. Hopefully we have a little bit of a weight change with the 1 use, but still have 2 more uses to go. I'm going to try to get this out next month. I'm gonna do my due diligence and try to get it out. Because I do really like this. It's just the shade that makes it difficult for me to use. Then we have from Sugar Drizzle, and that was the loose shadow in the shade Blueberry Tart. I don't have that to show you. It's in my box of declutters. I used that 1 time, and on the 4th of June, I decided to declutter that. I just did not like that shade. I filmed my declutter, like, right after last month's update, and I just decided that that shadow, as well as its counterpart shadow, because I had 2 of them, I just decided they could go, that they weren't shadows I needed in my collection. So, next we had the Appeal liner in the shade Muse. I used that 2 out of the 3 times, and on the 19th of June, I decided that could be decluttered as well. So, those Appeal liners, I have several of them, and I'm gonna need to hopefully get them rolled into this project, because I can't use them as eyeliners, because they will not wash off. They will stay on for days. They are so long-lasting, which is great, but I don't like that. I don't want to have to be aggressive with my eye makeup to remove it. So I moved the Appeal liners because they're liners that you can use anywhere. Eyes, lips, face, anything. And the shade Muse was just too pink. I tried to use it as a lip liner. I don't like it on the face. It's not like the nude sticks. It doesn't work well that way. So it was just too pink for me personally to feel like I could use it as a lip liner. And it didn't blend well. Speaking of blending my lip a little bit. But I did not enjoy it. I tried it twice, and I decided it could go. It's really bothering me that there's that harsh line. Uno momento, because I'm wearing the nude sticks. Better? Better. Probably from the coffee, to be honest. Next, we have this, and this is the Nude Sticks, what are you actually called? Magnetic Matte Lip Color in the shade Boho. This is on my lips today. I used this all 5 times, and I I got my 5th use on the 25th of June. So that is a goal met. These by themselves on the lips are drying, in my opinion, because I also have another color in another project. I have Greystone in, and it's the same formula, the Magnetic Matte, and it's just too matte. So I found that I need to pair these with other things, but I like the colors. I did try this shade as a blush, and it's just, again, it's too matte. I love the color. Like, this boho shade is really pretty, but it's just, the matte formula is so matte. And I just would prefer something a little more satin, a little more hydrating, a little more forgiving. I'm still going to try to use these. Because like I said, I have found that, you know, if I wear a lip liner, if I'm pairing it with something a little more hydrating, I can get away with these, and I do like the colors. So for now, it's going to stay. I'm going to try to make it work. I got my 5 uses, but it's something that it's going to be, we're going to think about it. And last but not least, the something that was in the project was the Fenty Ease Drop Lit Primer, and I had it in the shade 2, and I used it one time, and on the 4th of June, I decluttered it. Oh, it was so greasy, and it broke me out on my cheeks. Oh, I even tried to do it in a sheer layer. It was awful. Like, I absolutely hated that product. And I was so upset because I wanted that to work so bad. So, that is going to a new home. That is A-okay. So let me get my tablet all up and running so we can pick out 4 new products. At least I think we're going to do 4. And we'll see what we get. Alright, so I have it up. I made sure that it's, you know, correct and up to date. Show touches on screen here. It's going to be right here for you guys. I will scoot over. And number 1 is... Dun, 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 dun. Pigment. That's the only loose pigment we're bringing in. So Beauty Moon pigment number 3, which is the green one. So we're going to do 3 uses on that guy. So any other loose pigments are no-go. Hey, another Appeal liner. Appeal liner. Next level, I think, is the other pink, the darker pink. So we're also going to do 3 uses because I know the formula. I just need to figure out if that shade will work for me. So that's A-okay with me. Ooh, my Julep Shadow Stick. That's the white shadow stick. Julep Shadow Stick. White. Because that's new and it's a white shadow stick, we're going to do 5 uses. Why not? And a lip gloss. Okie dokie. I'm going to go grab those products and I will be right back. Alright, so we have the Beauty Moon Cosmetics Pigment. As you can see, it's like a green shifting pigment. Let me move this here. I love these Beauty Moon Cosmetics pigments. I've never used this one, so I'm seeing like a pinky purple to a teal green. Ooh, that's very pretty. And I'm going to put a 3-use goal on this because you guys know how I be with using my single shadows. Then we had the Appeal liner, and I was right, it is the darker pink shade, so hopefully maybe this one will work a little bit better. And we're going to use this one 3 times as well. So there's the shade there. It is just a darker pink. So hopefully this will work better as a lip liner. Then we had my Julep Shadow Stick in the shade Snowfall Matte, which is just a white shade. So there is that there, and I'm putting a 5-use goal on this guy, because I really do. I know I love these Julep Shadow Sticks. I finished one, I'm almost finished a second one, but I want to see if I like the white shade. And last but not least, we had this Clarity Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Sugar Drip. This is from the June mystery box, which I don't even know if I've posted that video yet, but I did film it. Oh, it smells so good. We have this doe foot applicator. This is the shade. I'm going to do a 5-use goal on this as well, because I think I like the formula, but I don't know. So it's just like a more pinky nude, and I'm just very particular about gloss, so I want to do a 5-use goal, see how I feel about the formula, because there is another gloss that came with the mystery box, so I'd love to know how I feel about it. But yeah, that is going to do it for the whole collection Project Pan update for July. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am very, very excited to get some use on the pigment. I think Ian will really like that. July is his birthday month, so please wish him a happy birthday. By the time you guys see this, his birthday will be over. His birthday was July 1st. But anywho, that is going to do it for my update. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.